You've got a ton of stuff going on in your life, but you're still doing nothing with it. You're sitting on the couch, watching TV and eating ice cream. What if instead of being lazy and spending your time watching TV, you could make an extra $1,000 a month working from home, or maybe even $2,000, or even $5,000 or more? Welcome to Big Money Build Up, where our aim is to point you to legit ways to make money online so we can all get an extra buck. If you haven't already, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. So let's get started. Number 10. Steady, Earn Money. Just go to the Play Store and download the app called Steady, Earn Money. Open the app. You will see an income booster section in your app. There are different jobs available for you to do from your home. You can start doing these jobs today. Number 9. Image Copy and Paste. Earn $200 a day by just copying and pasting images. First of all, head over to freeimages.com. You'll find public domain images of anything you can imagine, from sunsets to montages of your favorite things. But be sure to check out the artistic images as well. You might find something truly unique that you can use in your own work. Once you've found an image that speaks to you, head over to Etsy, the online marketplace. Set up your store, list your art, and then connect Printify.com to Etsy. Printify.com will take the art, print it, and deliver it to the buyer's address. This is the easiest way to earn a passive income, and it doesn't cost any money at all. Number 8. Narrate books. The method I'm going to tell you about something that's going to change your life. It's called acx.com, and it's used by authors to turn their book into an audiobook. There are a lot of books available if you are good at English and can record your voice. Then this is the best way for you to make $200 per hour by just reading books aloud in your mic. Number 7. Earn $750 per week by forming opinions. If you are a person who tends to form opinions, this is the perfect way to make over $750 a week. ApexFocusGroup.com is a great place to get started. They pay you $750 per week for your opinion. You just have to go to ApexFocusGroup.com and scroll down until you see the Go Here to Get Started button. It's that easy. Number 6. Make money by typing. If you're good at typing, this is for you. We're talking about a new service that pays people up to $3,000 a month just for typing. It's called GMRTranscription.com, and it's the perfect way to make extra cash while you watch TV or do your homework. You'll need to transcribe audio from various sources, like podcasts or interviews, and then send them off to clients who need them transcribed. You can earn up to $3,000 per month doing this. Number 5. Make money with your voice. You can make up to $4,000 per month by just using your voice. Go to voices.com, sign up as a freelancer, and there are a lot of voiceover jobs listed. Pick the one that suits you best. You won't have to do the usual boring stuff like reading out scripts or going into an audition booth. You can earn passive income by just using your voice. Number 4. Freelance Writer. If you're like me, you want to be able to work from anywhere in the world and still make enough money to live on. So how do we do it? Well, the method I'm going to show you how easy it is to earn up to $5,000 per week as a freelance writer. You just have to sign up with ZipRecruiter.com and start searching for writing jobs. Number 3. Become Tutor. Do you have a degree in education and are looking to earn a little extra cash? Well, this is the best way for you. Go to studypool.com, sign up as a tutor, and there are a lot of students looking for help. Start tutoring them and earn up to $7,500 per month teaching from the comfort of your own couch. Number 2. Make money by answering questions. This is the best method for the people who are good at answering questions. Go to justanswer.com and click to become an expert. They will do a background check, and after getting approved, you can answer any question that comes your way. You can make from $2,000 to $7,000 per month depending on how good you are at answering questions and how much time you spend doing it. Bonus tip. All these are legit, easy ways to make money online, but I'm sure most of you don't want to spend hours on end in front of your computer just to make a little bit of money. There's a way to make passive income without having to commit so much of your time. This will always be my all-time greatest way to make an income online. I'd tell you all about it here, but it needs its own video. If you're interested, Click the link in the description to find out more about it. Number 1. Freelance Copywriter. This is one of the best ways to earn money from the comfort of your own home. Go to clearvoice.com. It is a freelancer marketplace that connects businesses with talented copywriters. So, if you're good with words and have a knack for sales, then copywriting could be a great fit for you. The best part is, you can earn up to $10,000 per month doing it. So what are you waiting for? Sign up now and start earning. So there you have it. The best high-paying jobs to make money online. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and remember, all this is just a build-up, a big money build-up.